What it do, guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video and all my videos, drop a comment down below, which is hashtag the grind is real. Share this video and all my videos on Instagram. Make sure you follow me at appgrind. And once I reach 4,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick somebody that follow these guidelines and they will get a chance to win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, subscribe now. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid $7 for each video you click. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And sometimes I give away free money. So it'd be beneficial for you right now to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like, it really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I'm talking about today in this video. Now, one other thing, please type hashtag the grind is real so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 4,000 subscribers. It doesn't look like I'm going to hit 4,000 subscribers this month. That was my goal, to hit 4,000 subscribers this month. It looked like it's not going to happen. So we're going to extend this giveaway all the way into September. And hopefully in September, no, it's not hope. I know in September we're going to hit 4,000. So make sure you type hashtag, get your grind on, share this everywhere, hit that like button. All right. Without further ado, let me hop over here and show you this method so you can learn how to get paid $7 for each video you click. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I am at the website. Now the name of this website is, I'm going to spell it D-A-B-B-L, Dabble, I think it's Dabble, that's how you pronounce it. Now, what you're going to be doing on this website, it's a survey type of website, but it's a real good survey type of website because you're going to be answering some real quick surveys, but you're going to be looking at videos while you're doing that. So let's just read a little bit about this website. So it says, turn your downtime into gift cards. Choose which companies pay you for your time and opinions. It's available as an app on the App Store and the Google Play Store. And it says companies are battling over your attention now more than ever. Be treated like a partner, not a product. And this is the old way. It may not feel like you're the star in all of this. The old way treats you like a product, interrupts your media with ads, and tracks you around the web. The new way, be treated like a partner. Brands offer you fun and helpfulness, and you choose when and if you give your attention. So start earning in minutes. No coupons to clip, no receipts to upload. Simple. So download the Dabble app and simply register. Choose brands you to engage. Quick videos, feedback, earn cash. Load earnings to gift card, $5 or $10. E-gift cards are emailed to you. And number 5 is spend it however you want. Buy whatever you want from the retailer. So you're going to be getting anywhere between $5 to $10 gift cards that you could turn that into cash. So from my knowledge, anywhere from $5 to $7 is what you're going to be getting paid. So as you can see, here's a little example of how it's going to look. It's kind of like a little video. And these are the brands right here. So we got Oreo, Neutrogena, Chips Ahoy. So some very, very popular brands that's been around for maybe decades, maybe centuries. So let's just scroll down here and read a little bit more. So it said, what do you want to turn your downtown into? Outdoor adventures, attractions and fun, movies. And these are the gift cards you're going to get. So you get Amazon, Walmart, Target, Spotify. So when you earn the money, you're going to be able to get these type of gift cards. But of course, you can turn like Amazon gift card into cash. You can trade that in and get some PayPal money on a lot of sites they have online. So down here, there's some testimonies. So this one person, Amy, says, working on my 3rd or 4th gift card now. And let's see, this other person right here says, love this app, super engaging and fun. That was the first app that I actually enjoy interacting with when it comes to advertising. Thank you for thinking of us. And let's read a little bit more. So it says, you're in charge. See which brands want to connect with you and with Dabble Feed. Choose when and if you engage. Any opinion data you provide goes to that brand and you always stay anonymous. Oh, it's fun. So this is just some sample. This is the feed, the choice, some examples right here. So that's it, guys. That's all I'm going to say about this site. And you can just get started anytime. Just come here, download the app, and get started and make this money. Now, let me just go to a bonus website right quick. I've talked about it before, but I want to bring it up because you can make some good money from that site too. So let me go to it right quick. Okay, I'm at the next website. I have talked about this website before. It's called Beta Testing. So beta testing's solved. Beta test with real people in real environments. You get paid worldwide. Engagement data and feedback to help scale your product. For Android, iOS, websites, desktop, text product. So when you come here, what you're going to do is click right here where it says Join Beta Testing. It's going to take you to this page. So early adopters, join beta testing community, test exciting new products and get paid to give feedback for new apps, websites, and products. And this is how it works. You test the app, complete the task, earn $10 to $20 for most tests. And these are the companies that they work with right here. So that's it, guys. That's all I'm going to say about this site. One more thing. Let me go ahead and read one more thing here. Payments are made via PayPal within 7 days. So I know 7 days is a little long, but it's not. But it's shorter than a month. So you can get paid $10 to $20 through PayPal for every beta test that you do. And go ahead and go to betatesting.com to get started. Okay, family, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, please don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 100 likes. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I talked about today in this video. And please share this all around the internet, because I'm trying to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, Grind family, thanks again for always watching my videos. Thank you for the support. Road to 4,000. Let's go. Let's get it. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of my other videos until my next one come out. Peace.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on, yeah.